In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively utilize Miro as your go-to visual workspace for innovation. Whether you're new to Miro or just looking for a refresher, this guide will take you through some basic yet powerful functionalities to enhance your collaborative sessions. Firstly, let's start by navigating to the Miro login page. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter the Miro login URL. You'll find yourself at the welcome screen where you can enter your credentials if you already have an account. If not, it only takes a moment to sign up, so feel free to join us. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Miro dashboard. You'll see a collection of existing boards, or perhaps an empty space if you're new. Scan through your projects and click on a board that you've previously created or been invited to collaborate on. This step is crucial because Miro is built around the concept of boards where all your creative ideas take shape. Now that you're in a board, one of the key functionalities you'll be using is the Shapes tool. It's located on the toolbar, usually on the left-hand side. Clicking on it will give you access to a variety of shapes that you can use to represent different ideas or organize information on your board. Don't be afraid to explore and select the shape that best fits your needs. Adding connectors between these shapes is important for demonstrating relationships and workflows. To do this, click on the arrow icon in the toolbar. Once selected, you can draw lines connecting different elements on your board. This feature is perfect for creating flowcharts or process maps. A wonderful feature of Miro is its customization options. Very importantly, you can change the color of your shapes and connectors. This is a fantastic way to categorize different sections of your board visually or highlight certain areas for emphasis. To change colors, simply select the shape or arrow, and a menu will appear allowing you to choose from a palette of colors. In addition to color customization, Miro offers options to modify arrowheads. This can alter the look and feel of your arrows, making it easier to indicate the direction of your flow or different levels of importance. Again, simply select the arrow and choose your preferred arrowhead style from the menu. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of line types on your board. You can customize the line type of connectors to be solid, dashed, or dotted, which can further delineate information and processes in a more visually appealing and easy to understand manner. By understanding these basic tools and customization options, you're well on your way to building productive and visually organized boards with Miro. Embrace the creativity and flexibility that Miro offers and see how it can transform your collaborative efforts. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with Miro.